Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can record all the data which will be submitted from your website automatically into our HubSpot table without using any code but with the help of the AutoAPI. AutoAPI is a no-code platform where you can create a multiple automated workflows, and it is a way more smart, faster and smoother. And the best part about AutoAPI, it's going to give you 3000 free tasks. Okay. Now, without wasting any time, just jump on the new tab, AutoAPI, click the AutoAPI, enter it.
So this is the landing page of AutoAPI where you can find multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down, you got multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan, we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tabbing on the add workflow. Give it a name.
Now you can see the select your trigger application screen is available. Basically, you have to select your trigger application. In our case, it is the Elementor. I'm going to select it. Select the trigger action, which is new form submission. Add first step. Okay. So the question might be arrived, what is trigger? Trigger is basically if statement. It asks a question, if a condition is made, what should be done? In our case, if form is submitted, the form is going to record all the data into the HubSpot CRM. So to set the trigger, let me set the webhook URL first. Here is all the steps provided to how to set the webhook URL. I'm going to copy it and go to my website. This is the website where I want the form. Yeah, this is the form section. I want to set the webhook URL. Just edit with Elementor. It will take some time. Okay, our site is arrived. Just scroll down and tap on the column. You can see the form field is arrived. Just close it, and this is the one where we have to work. Action after submit. So it is basically what action should be submitted after submitting the form. Just open it and search for the webhook. Yeah, this one. As soon as you add the webhook is arrived here. Open the webhook. It is demanding the webhook URL. Copy the webhook URL from here and paste here. Just publish it. So we successfully set the webhook URL. So the webhook to set the webhook URL, it basic means that you have to integrate this form into our application. So to check the webhook URL set, successfully, we have to give the sample data. For now, before sampling the data, I'm going to start capture the sampling data and give the data. Okay. It is going to ask me, would you like to a sample pack? I'm going to say yes. As soon as we are going to hit the submit button, all the data is captured here. Hit the submit button. Our data sent successfully. Check the status. Yeah, all the data captured. John, William, this is the email ID, phone number, and address. Okay, so we successfully set our webhook URL. Now we have to set the action application. In our case, it going to be HubSpot CRM. Search for the HubSpot, select the application, and you can find there is a multiple endpoint available. For me, I'm going to select the create a contact, search for it. Yeah, this is the endpoint which I'm going to select, add the task. So the reason why I use create a new contact is because whenever the new submission is come into my form, which is available in my website, all the data with the contact is going to add into my HubSpot CRM. So let's start the create the connection, connect with HubSpot. Now it is going to ask you the permission, give the access, choose the account. Okay, our HubSpot is successfully connected. Save the connection. Now you can see there is a multiple fields available here. For me, I'm going to map all the data which I want. Before mapping the data, let me introduce this plus icon. If you see this plus icon, it basically means that mapping button. It allows all the data received from previous node to map in this section. Let me show you. Let me show you. So if you can see the plus icon, let me introduce this. It is basically mapping button where all the data received from the previous node. Let me show you. Just tap on the previous button. It will be show the previous nodes, and it is demanding the address. Just search for the address. This one, map it. Okay. We set the address. Now search for the name, company name, first name, full name. Just add here. Just map the name. Select map. Select area and confirm it. So we map the address and the name. Now I'm going to add the email. Search for the email. Okay, here is the one. Map the email. Okay, search for the phone number. Phone number. Map the phone number. confirm it. Now, the question it asks, map the answer. Yeah, confirm it. Okay, all the data is mapped. Now, just submit the button. You can see our data saved successfully. As soon as I'm going to hit this test this application, all the data which will comes from here is going to fetch here. This is the one which I'm already provided. Test this application. It's showing some error. Let's refresh it. Okay, it's showing me contact already exists. So let me give the another name, which is let's capture the. We are going to do all the process again. Start capturing the data. Richard Parker .com. For now, I'm going to say no. Submit it. Check the status. Yeah, it captured all the data. Close the application. Configure it and map it again. It already mapped the data. First name. So let me check. Submit the button. Data saved successfully. Test this application. Yeah. Task executed successfully. Hide and show sample data. You can see all the data is already come here. Right? Just refresh it. Yeah. So all data is came here. Let me do it again. My website. Jane William. Jane@gmail.com. Submit the data. Data sent successfully. Refresh it. Yeah. Our data is captured here. Recorded here. So now you can see how we can capture all the data automatically without using any code, but with the help of the AutoAppy. All the data which will come from the Elementor is directly come recorded in our HubSpot CRM.
So if you want to stop this manual grind and start automating your businesses, hit the subscribe button so you can find more automated and more practical videos on this channel. If you like this video, just make sure you just like the video and share with your friend. And if you want the link of this automation, just find the link in the description below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.